Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. And guys, oh my goodness, man. Now, don't be surprised, okay? Don't be surprised with what is going on with SLP. I've been talking about this one in the past videos as well. The last two videos that I made about SLP was that there's a possibility that SLP wants to go for a reversal, reversal, what do you call this? Reversal wave to the downside. And the reason why I do believe that reversal wave to the downside was going to play out is because if I take the top here to the bottom, I do remember the fib retracement telling you that you start to lose the 0.618. That was not good, and you're looking to play reversal maybe to the 1.618 right over there. Do you get my point here? Actually, not the 1.618. The reason why it's looking bad is because I turned off the log scale. Okay, I'm gonna redo this again. Okay, so if you take the top here to the bottom right there, and yeah, the reversal wave actually takes you to the 150 146 levels because you're losing those 0.618, and now you're looking to go all the way down to the 1.618. That's the next technical target. Now the issue is that I did even share on the Discord as well that SLP has never lost this trend line ever since March 14th of March, by the way. 14th of March, you never lost that trend line, and this is the trend line that I've even given you in the previous videos as well, okay? And it has really done its part very good. I mean, the reason why probably even you might be in profits is because if you've been watching my videos, we've been trading right over here, and we actually make some profits up over there. I do have videos explaining that. Now what you're doing is, if I zoom in here, I told you today, I even gave you a stop loss like this. If it comes down to 201, that's the end of it. That's the end of the game. And in my opinion, all you're doing is on the 15 minutes, if I try to even show you this, you broke to the downside, you're going back for the back test. This is a kiss of death, and you go all the way down. Boom. What's the next technical target? On the fibs, actually it shows 146 actually, so I'm just gonna mark 150 to round it off. So that's where I'm gonna see SLP. Okay, one more thing that I want to talk about. This, because you lost the trend line, you're looking to go there. What if you don't go there? The only way to not go there basically is you break that line itself, come back for the retest at 205. Then this is a fake out. That is a fake out. Now it's not a fake out as long as you're below it. As long as you're below it, this is your next friend right here. The downtrend is your friend now, and the uptrend is not longer unless you're not crossing it. Back test, hold it, and go up. So that's it for this second update. If you guys want to learn more about trend lines, do check out my 17 hours 18 hours course right over here. If you want to pay with 29 bucks, do message me on Discord as well to pay with crypto, and I'm going to give you a promo code, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.